is loving year-round is our spiced brown sugar syrup. I'll give you a sample of that. Lavender is a thing, and I don't recommend people just buying a latte and putting lavender put in it unless you've tried it, because you're drinking flowers. Yeah. But so I recommend a sample if you're interested in that. Okay. We do a peppermint, and we do have what's in here, Taylor? This is coconut. Coconut. So we do that. We do have we roast your own coffee. So every day we have 2 drips online. Our medium roast is like a light roast somewhere where it's kind of bright, sour. It's not everyone's jam. And we're not Starbucks. So our medium is very light, very unique. It's lovely. Okay. But then we have our black cat that can handle milk and sugar, so I can give you samples of those. Yeah. And then we have 2 cold brews. One is lightly sweetened. It's our version of a Vietnamese. It has that sweetened condensed milk in it. So I have that, and then a straight black, and some people go half and half with that. And then, you know, syrups with that. All right, so here's our menu. We do have breakfast. We have our house-made biscuits that are made every day, house-made blueberry muffins, house-made zucchini bread, and then you can build your own with a bagel, things like that. Eggs, bacon, egg, and cheese. We have turkey bacon too. They just take a while to cook and thin it out. All right. That is good. I see what people coming.
Delicious?
So good. This is like the best breakfast sandwich thing I've ever had.
So guys, I'm here in NoDa and Charlotte, North Carolina, and I was actually looking for a different cafe, but unfortunately the road is closed down the street and we're not able to go down there. So, oh, there's the firehouse. So we are just walking around and driving around, and we just saw another location, and that location was fantastic. But if you are in Charlotte, I totally recommend coming to NoDa area. It's very artsy, and you can see a lot of cool vibes here. Check it out. Lots of cool shops. So we're here really early. We're on a road trip. And this is why I love road trips, because as we're going, we're very spontaneous and we just kind of take it as it goes. So this is one of those examples of a morning trip where we end up doing so many different things than what we plan to do. But that's the surprise, and that's the wonder of going on a road trip. Oh, look at this. It looks like it's a Cabo fish taco. Probably fantastic, I'm sure. All right, let's see here. Lots of apartments and things. So you can find that. And look at that. Even that's artsy, a little bench here. All right, now let me let you guys kind of see what I'm seeing. There we go. All right, I'm gonna walk across the street here. So, you know, I love morning walks, right? And we're doing a road trip, so I really don't have time to do a long walk. Plus, it was sprinkling. So I'm not even gonna be out here long, but I can't help myself. It's just a great way to kind of see the neighborhood. I don't know what this is, Ever and something there. but it looks like a little cute little place. Maybe it's a cafe or something like that. All right, let's see what else is down here. Okay, so you have McCall's. It's probably, oh, it looks like it's a Irish pub. You got wellness here, spa. So you can do some spa treatment after you finish eating. And then you can get some dessert here at Two Scoops Creamery. The Iceberg NoDa, don't know what this is. Let's see here. Whoa, looks like some type of bar. Super cute. And doesn't that look like you're in Ireland or something, right? All right, and then there's another restaurant over here. All right, and so there's so many. There's a churro bar. All right, let's see. I'm gonna walk across the street because I'm curious. Look at this place. This looks cool. Ah, Michelin. Look at that. Make a reservation. So you definitely have to make a reservation. I'll have to look up this place and see what kind of food and things they have, because that looks really cool. And let's see, Rico's Churro Bar. So I came across the street because right, it says here, be a blessing on purpose. Follow, donate, or volunteer on Instagram. A pop-up shop. I wish I had something that I can put there, but that's really nice. So maybe on our way back, if we're not in too much of a rush, maybe we could come back here. Look at this, guys. We have some cherry blossoms. Whoa. All right, they have an art gallery across the street. So that's kind of cool. I so love this. I mean, I could definitely come here and you could definitely spend a few hours here for sure. There's a YMCA across the street. And you know, YMCA usually has all kinds of great things that you can take advantage of as well. Look at this place. I love the colors. That blue is striking, right? Against this purple. Okay, I have to pause. I have to pause. Ah, it's so beautiful. The Goodyear House, built on good times. Look at that. You know, this channel at this point is still pretty new. And one of the things that I love about doing this is the fact that I get to record and remember some of the great places that I go to. So when I go back, I can say, oh yeah, we were in this area and it was great. We need to go back there. So this year, we got Chief's Coffee and Cocktails. meet me at Chief's because they have a whole little backyard area here, coffee and cocktails. I like the combination. That's pretty cool. Look at that. So people who live in this area, they probably have all types of activities that they can go to. And I'm always looking for places I can go that are calming, that make you relax, that just make you take that moment, stop, breathe, enjoy your life. And even though we're on a road trip, we're still doing that, right? We just left this great cafe. I'm going to put the information about that. But look at this place. So we don't live that far from Charlotte. I used to come to Charlotte all the time when I had my homestay business with my partner and close friend and travel buddy. And we really were living here, it felt like, because we were in Charlotte for so long, so many times, and we never came here. That's what's great about going places over and over again, because some places you can always find something that you didn't know about before. Look at this. So cool. Oh, I'll cut you off. It's a tattoo gallery. If that's your vibe, you can definitely get some tattoos at this place here. So, yeah, that's the neighborhood, guys. I got to get on the road because we're trying to get to DC before it gets too late, and we still have several hours to go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short little walk here in Charlotte, in NoDa area. Make sure you make plans when you're in the area to come and visit. All right, there's my ride. Gotta go.